Hello everyone. With the CBSE Term 1 exam around the corner, you all know it is an objective exam conducted offline on an OMR sheet. Let us understand some of the ground rules laid by CBSE to fill the OMR sheet.
Only blue or black ballpoint pen is to be used for filling the desired information and for giving responses. Usage of pencil is strictly prohibited. If it is found that the candidate has used pencil for filling OMR, this will be considered as use of unfair means and action will be taken against the candidate as per unfair means rules. The candidate has to write a question paper code in the upper right corner in the space provided for the same. Question paper code will be written on the question paper. The candidate has to write the following statement: I confirm that all particulars given above are correct, and sign in the running hand on OMR. There is a space for answering 60 questions in an OMR, irrespective of the total questions given in the question paper of any subject. Candidates will use maximum circles as per the total questions given in the question paper for giving responses. This should be only in serial. Answers given after the maximum question number will not be evaluated. Meaning, thereby, if there are 45 questions in some question papers and the candidate is changing question number 46 in OMR and writing this question as 45, then the given answer will not be evaluated. For giving a response, 4 circles, that is A, B, C and D, are given in front of each question in a row. Candidates, once confident about the correctness of reply, should darken the circle with a pen. After 4 circles are over, a box is given in the same row. Candidates have to write the correct option in this box, that is A or B or C or D, as the answer is. After the box, again a circle is given ahead of the box where the question number is also written inside the circle. This circle is to be darkened by the candidate if they have not attempted this question. Candidates are advised that first of all, they should mark the response by darkening the circle. If fully satisfied, they should write a response in the box. The purpose of giving a box is that only if any candidate wishes to change the response, the same be written in the box. Even if candidate is satisfied with darkening the circle, this response has to be written in the box. Candidates have to reply both in a circle and in a box. The reply written in the box will be treated as the final answer. If the box is empty and the response is marked in the circle, it will be considered that the question has not been attempted by the candidate. If the response is given in a box and the circle is left blank, it will be considered that the question has been attempted by the candidate. If all the 3, that is 4 circles, box and last circle are left blank, it will be considered that the question has not been attempted. We are also sharing a sample OMR with the link in the caption. You can download and print it for practice. At FITG, we believe that school exams, boards, along with all competitive examinations like NTSE, KVPY and Olympiads are extremely important in the path to JEE. And for us, your career and choices are foremost. Do follow all our exam analysis and all the best everyone for your upcoming Term 1 exam.